came in, of course, as I said, it was February 2014. When those scores came back for ELA, we were sitting at 31%. So actually, when we printed them, it was like 24% ELA 1 and then 28%. And so I believe everything just ended up combining, and so we were at 31. So December, after our retest and after a snapshot, we were at 41%. And the last time that we just pulled, we were at 61% on our last snapshot in English and coming up. So I'm going to attribute that to just a lot of hard work, but at the same time having that culturally responsive nature of what is going on.
Discipline data was very high. It was probably one of the highest in the areas, and as I said before, it was remaining constant over the last few years, so we had to look at something to be able to bring it down. In March of last year, I brought out educational concepts to give us some advice and give us some training to try and bring it down. Since they came in then, they did start to fall. We did start to work on building more relationships and really looking at what the students needed and to try and be more programmatic with it. When we started this year, our discipline referrals are about 1/5 of what they were last year at the same time. So we're definitely heading in the right direction. To have a reduction that drastic speaks a lot for the program.
And what I see has been a large impact is being able to, like I said before, break down the wall about cultural diversity and understanding the difference between field-dependent and independent scholars, so that allowed our teachers to design lessons that would address all the needs of different scholars. The rigor part come in that with the high expectations. So once we could break down the wall of our cultural biases and our perceptions and really own that, it doesn't matter. I can have high expectations of all my scholars. I just need to know how to reach each one, and I can develop my lessons in rigor, but also incorporate the different learning styles. So that was really powerful for our team.